Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make most delicious rice flour with pumpkin loaf. Just stay with me. First I'll separate 5 eggs. Then beat the egg whites until this consistency. Here I have rice flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda. You have everything listed in the recipe. I will add 2 tablespoons honey to the 5 egg yolks. Add 3 tablespoons room temperature melted butter and 1 cup baked pumpkin. You could use canned, but the taste won't be as good as the home baked. Then I will add half of the flour and mix. I used fork, you could use a spatula. Then add the rest of the flour. Now I switch to the spatula and add half of the egg whites. Now the rest of the egg whites. It's better to fold so you don't deflate the egg whites. Add raisin and chopped walnut. I greased the baking loaf pan with butter and I lined it with a piece of parchment paper, 2 pieces, and then I baked in the oven at 350 for about 55 minutes. And before you take it out, leave it to cool down completely. Now testing time. It smells cinnamon with the walnut, a raisin, pumpkin. It's fluffy. It's most delicious loaf you can make. And thank you for watching.